Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to transfer ownership on Discord. If you want to go ahead and transfer ownership on Discord, you need to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, open up a browser and type in discord.com and log into your account. Now you could go ahead and use the Discord app also, whichever is convenient for you. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So what next you want to do is, this is how it's going to look like. Now first thing, to transfer ownership on your Discord, you need to make sure that you've already sent an invitation link to the particular user that you want to go ahead and transfer the ownership to. Then after you have done sending the invitation, you need to go ahead and open up a server. So I'm gonna go with this one. Then you have to go to the arrow icon and go to server settings. Right on this page, you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit. You could also find this invite button if you want to go ahead and send the invitation link. Now that I've already done it, so I just need to go ahead and start transfer the ownership, right? So what I need to do is go to my server settings one more time and then scroll down right to the bottom and go to members. As you go to members, over here you could see all the members or list of people that's here. If you want to go ahead and transfer it, just select the particular user that you want to transfer it to, and this way you could transfer ownership on Discord. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.